Good afternoon, students. Myself Sanat Kumar Swain, and we will be going to discuss about the concept of marketing management. Last class we have discussed about just the introduction of marketing management. What do we mean by marketing? How it is different between what are the differences between sales and marketing? How do we differentiate between sales and marketing? Today we are going to discuss about the various concepts which are related to marketing management. So this is something if we recapitulate from the previous chapter, that what is a marketing management. It is a fundamental business concept aimed at creating, promoting, delivering and products or services, and it is one of the very important function for businesses, because it that connects the target audience, and it also help to generate revenue for any organization. So we'll be looking at a few key components and various concepts which are associated with marketing. Customer orientation. Why do we need to look at customer orientation? Who are customers? Why much importance has been given to the customer in marketing management? Obviously, the customers are the center of gravity of for any kind of organization, any kind of business, and customer orientation must be given of utmost priority, because a satisfied customer is very important for any kind of marketing. Okay, to create to maintain strong customer relationship is very important. So there has to be a sense of bonding between the organization and the customers. So customer orientation is extremely important in terms of delivering marketing management. So if we see this slide, we can see that the first one is customer oriented approach, and the second one is product oriented approach. So what do you mean by customer oriented approach and product oriented approach? Various organizations have got various kinds of strategies, marketing strategies. So some organizations, they put more emphasis on their customer oriented approach. So if we see the customer oriented approach, we'll see that they give most importance, lot of importance has been given to their customer needs, okay, and their customer satisfaction. Okay. Whereas if we see the product oriented approach, we'll find that the most of the focus has been given to product launching, okay, sales and marketing, okay, how to do more production, how to generate more sales. Okay, so in the long run, that is going to definitely that is going to hamper the overall growth of the organization. If we are very product centric, rather than we should be customer centric. The organization should be customer centric. It should be customer oriented approach should be given importance, so that is going to help the organization in the long run. Product service development. Okay, most of the many organizations, they deliver product, or they deliver their services. Okay, so why there has to be a development for a product, or there has to be a development for services? Okay. Now you see, there is a saying that need is the innovation is the requirement, mother of invention. Need is the mother of invention, but in today's, if we see today, we'll find that innovation is the mother of needs. If we consider few years back, we'll find that lot of gadgets or lot of electronics stuff which we are using these days, that was not in the market, and that was not required at all. Okay, But as because there are a lot of innovations, a lot of research has been done on the product and particularly in the service sector, you'll find that that has created a need in the market. So all the organizations, what they need to do is that they need to develop certain products, and they should also provide that services which can address the customer needs and problems. That may be any kind of research, that can be any kind of design, that can be any kind of offerings, innovations. Okay, that should be that should create a niche in the market. So while developing a product, what are the important aspects which we need to consider for? Now when we are developing a product, a particular product, we'll see that there has to be an idea. Some ideas has to be innovative, ideas has to be generated. Okay, so we need to evaluate that idea, we need to generate that idea, we need to screen that idea, and then there has to be a thorough detailed investigation. A thorough detailed investigation must be done on that particular idea, whether that is going to be fruitful in the long run or not, whether we are going to achieve something out of that idea or not. If yes, then certain development must be done on that particular idea, how to develop it further. Subsequently, there should be a testing process, whether that is fruitful for the society, whether that is fruitful for the customers or not. If yes, then once that is done, then we can do the market launch. We can launch that product in the market. Okay, so this is all about the product development process. Now pricing. Pricing is very important part in for any kind of product or service. Now how we are going to understand what kind of price should be given for that, for a particular product or for a particular service. So there is a strategy. There is a pricing strategy. Okay, which may be cost based pricing, like we are procuring something and there has to have a cost. Okay, there will be a cost for that particular product. So based on that procurement process, the cost which are related to that procurement, definitely the cost, the price may go up, or that may go down. Now value based pricing, what kind of value based product we are releasing in the market. So if that product is a value based product, then the pricing will also differ. That may go up or that may go down. Next is competitive pricing. Okay, are we going to make a competition in the market? Are we going to make a competitive product in the market? If yes, then definitely, if there are more competitors and we are going to compete with our competitors, then definitely that is going to affect us the pricing tag also. So these are all the various aspects of pricing. So the one is cost based. Okay. What is the actual cost while launching that product? Okay. What are the marginal costs, what are the break-even costs, what are the all the related costs for launching that particular service or launching for that particular product, that affects the pricing. Second is demand based. How much demand we have in the market, how much demand for that particular product is there in the market. If there is a demand, huge demand in the market, then definitely the pricing will go up. Competition based, whether there is a competition, whether we have a lot of competitors in the market or we have less competitor in the market. Are we going to give certain kind of discount? We are going to reduce the price tag for that particular product. We are going to how we are going to compete with the competitor. That all depends on the pricing. That is going to affect the pricing. Others are like targeting the particular customers, or targeting a particular area, or psychological. If we are, let's say during time of corona, you will find that many vaccine manufacturers, they produced vaccines. Okay, but definitely they're not going to put the pricing Definitely there is a competition, there is a demand, there is a cost base, everything is there, but there is some sort of ethical, psychological values are there, because there that was a need of the of the society. The product was really needed in the society. Okay, so in that case we are not going to put the pricing tags as per our requirement, as per our need. We are not going to do that. There has to be a pricing cap for that particular product. Okay. Promotion, how we need to do promotion. If we are going to target a particular audience, a particular market, okay, so how we need to promote our product or service. So this can be done through multiple ways, like this can be done through various kinds of advertisement. Okay, then that can be there could be promotion methods, that can be various kinds of communication methods are been used. Okay, so various methods are being used to promote your product in the market. Okay, so if you go through this slide, we'll see that marketing promotion. Okay, so we can do advertisement. Okay, various kinds of advertisements can be done. There can be sales promotion. Okay, most of the companies while promoting their product, they give sales promotions. Direct marketing, people go out in the market and they do the direct marketing. Okay, direct marketing money from the company directly uh, to the to the market, to the audience. Okay. Public relation, there has to be certain sort of public relation, there should be personal selling. So these are all the marketing promotional strategies, okay, while launching a product. Place and distribution, how we need to distribute, how we need to distribute a particular product, what are the channels of this distribution process. Okay, how we will ensure that this particular product or service is available to the customer. These are very important role which plays in the um, aspect of marketing. Distributional channels are important. The logistic is also involved. Okay, logistic management is also involved. Okay, so this all plays a very important role in the overall aspect of marketing. Now there has to be a distribution strategy. When we are doing the distribution, there has to be a distribution strategy. What are the strategies? There are three strategies. One is exclusive distribution, one is intensive distribution, and the third one is selective distribution. So what do you mean by exclusive distribution? Exclusive distribution means, for example, let's say a company or an organization, they are producing, they're manufacturing a certain product. Okay, and who is going to distribute it? Who is going to become the distributor for that particular product? So that exclusive right has been given to a particular distributor. If a company, the manufacturer is giving a particular right, exclusive right to a particular distributor, then that is known as exclusive distribution. Nobody else is going to distribute that product. That sole right has been given to a particular distributor. So that is known as exclusive distribution. Now intensive distribution, there is no limit for that. Intensive, it can be the distribution can go to any store, that can be any state, wherever. There is no restriction on any kind of distribution on that particular product. So that is known as intensive distribution, no limitation. Okay, and selective distribution. Selective distribution means selective. A particular area has been chosen for particular distribution for a particular product. So that is known as selective. We are selecting particular area or a particular audience. We are targeting a particular audience, particular geographical location for our distribution strategy. Now segmentation, how we need to segment. Okay, segmentation means we need to segment it into fragment it. Okay, segmentation more or less. Okay, so how we need to segment a market. So there are various characteristics on which we are going to divide the market. Okay, so what are those? You see, there are four types of segmentation: demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral segmentation. So based on these four, we segment the market, okay, and then the product has been launched, or the promotion has been done, or that has been targeted based on demographic segmentation, based on the demography, what kind of people are present in a particular society or in a particular geographical location. What kind of behavioral segmentation, the behavior, their psychographic, their behavioral traits, what kind of traits they are adopting, what kind of way of lifestyle they are adopting. So these are all includes the segmentation types while launching a product or while targeting a particular market. Okay. Targeting. Okay. What do you mean by targeting? Let's say once the market segments are identified, okay, we have identified a particular segment. Now, how to target? So, if we go through this slide, we'll see that target market, product, price, promotion, place. So, while targeting a market, we have to see this four important. This is 4Ps also. This can be, this 4Ps can also be termed as the marketing mix. We'll be discussing this marketing mix in the subsequent slide. So the 4Ps: product, market, price, place, and promotion. So these four important needs to be discussed before we target a market. What kind of product are we launching in a targeted market? What should be the pricing strategy for that particular market? Whether the particular targeted market has got a huge buying power, they have a purchasing power or not. Place, geographical location, that is also important. We are going to for example, we are going to launch our any product which is not relevant to that place, so definitely that will fall. So place is also important while launching or targeting a market. And promotion, how we are promoting our product in that targeted market, that is also one of the important. Positioning means, you see, there are lot of, for a particular product, if we go into the market, we'll see that there are a lot of alternate products available in the market. So what uniqueness we are creating in our product while launching in the market, so that is going to compel the customer, that's going to force the customer to see our product, which is something different from the other competitors. So that is known as positioning. I mean, we are going to position our product in such a way that is going to attract the customer to get to know more about our product, or to get interested in purchasing our product. So what important or what uniqueness we are going to put in our product or the brand. So that is known as positioning. So while using the positioning process, various factors need to be taken into account, like what is the competition identification. When we are positioning our product, we need to see that is there any competition in that particular market. Okay, what kind of product characteristics we need to study. We need to analyze our customers, okay, for that particular product. We need to do a comparative analysis between our product and the existing products in the market. We need to set out a unique positioning for our product. Okay. We need to execute a marketing plan. We need to measure and evaluate the entire positioning process. and then only we believe that that is going to be a proper success. Positioning process will be successful for our particular product. Now marketing mix, we have already gone through that this slide earlier. So product, price, promotion and place, these are the 4 P's which also constitute as the marketing mix. Okay, we term this as marketing mix. So these all these 4 P's also constitute the marketing strategy. While we are making any sort of marketing strategy, these 4 P's are being taken into consideration. While launching the product also, these 4 P's are also taken into consideration: place, product, price, promotion. Okay, so which place we are going to market, what is the targeted market. The place is very important. Second is your product, what product we are going to launch in the market, okay, whether there is a need for that particular product in the market. Third is the price, what is the pricing strategy, what is the pricing tag for that particular product. And promotion, what kind of promotion we are going to do for that particular product. So these are the 4 P's of marketing mix which we need to take into consideration. Now market research. Before launching any product, before doing any kind of marketing, we need to research on that particular market. Market research is very important. Why do we need to research the market? Because you see, if we go to the case study of Tata Nano car, you will find that it's a very good case study. You will find that proper market research was not done before launching that particular product. The concept was very good. The concept of Tata Nano was very good because it was the brain idea, it was the brainchild of Ratan Tata, that everybody should have a 4-wheeler. Everybody should should at least prevent themselves from the heat, from the rain, and they should be at least comfortable sitting in a 4-wheeler. That was the basic concept of basic idea behind that, behind the launch of the Tata Nano. But people took it otherwise. People because they were not able to do a proper thorough market research. What was the mind of the people? What people used to think about that particular car? Because it could not meet the expectations of the people. They expected Tata Nano to be as equivalent to other cars in the market. Well, that cannot be done because we have to see the cost effective. You are getting a 4-wheeler in just 1 lakh rupees. So how you will compare that that car with other? Well, there was other issues also. Safety measures were also there. Safety issues were also there. So what I mean to say is that when a certain product is being launched in a particular market, there has to be market research should be done thoroughly. That will make and that will help the organizations, business organizations, to make informed decisions, and they can also refine their marketing strategies if required. Okay. So market research. Before going deep into the market research, we need to first think which market we are going to target for. Secondly, what are our objectives? What are our objectives in targeting that particular market, in launching that particular product into the market? Whether there is a need for the market, need in the market for that particular product. Sample should be taken into consideration while doing any kind of market research. We cannot study the market as a whole, but we need to take a particular sample out of the market while we do any sort of market research. Next is execution. We need to execute the plan. We need to execute the strategy before launching the product into the market. There should be a thorough analysis and proper interpretation should be done, and then only we can successfully do the market research, and then only we can get the product launch into the market. Now, customer relationship management, CRM. Okay. This is also one of the important aspects in terms of management, marketing management, because we need to build up in any organization. We need, you will see that we need to build up a relationship with the customer. It's very important. So if that relationship is positive and long term, then that is definitely going to help the organization in the long run. So the CRM, the customer relationship management, involves various kind of strategies and tools in improving the customer satisfaction. See, customer satisfactions are very much important. Some organizations, they give very importance to customer satisfaction, some that does not give that much importance. But if a customer is satisfied, that is going to help you out in the long run. You don't have to rely more on your marketing strategies, because your customers are going to market the product for you. If you have a proper satisfied customer base, you have to make a base for your customers. So to create a customer base, you need proper customer relationship management. Without a customer relationship management, you are not going to create a customer base, and without a customer base, you are not going to launch any kind of new product without a proper marketing strategy. CRM, how you need to take CRM into account? How? There are various ways. The first one is email integration. You need to keep your customer posted. There should be follow-ups and projects if there is any kind of projects is related to your customer. There should be proper follow-up and related to products, to your projects. Documentation should be very important with your customers, extremely important. There should be email marketing, there should be sales call, there should be relationship management. These all constitute your CRM, this customer relationship management, which is very important for your any kind of organization. Now, digital marketing. Okay, what do you mean by digital marketing? I don't think this is though it is one of the important marketing area, marketing strategy, but I believe most of the students, you will be aware of what do you mean by digital marketing. Okay, so this is a digital era. This modern era is a digital era. You'll find that a lot of marketing is being done digitally rather than in the past days when there was no digital marketing, so that used to be well. But right now you'll find that there are online advertisements are going on, social media platforms are there, content marketing is being done, email marketing is being done. A lot of digital channels are there where you can digitally market your products. Sitting at the comfort of your office, you can digitally market worldwide. You don't have to go physically and launch your product. Rather than you can sitting in the comfort of your office, you can digitally market your product. So these are the few things through which you can market your product. Influencer marketing, people who have the influencer, you can hire some influencer to market your product. Viral marketing through word of mouth. Okay, when something goes viral, that is also kind of a marketing. Mobile marketing, radio and TV advertisement, that is one of the oldest way of marketing, digital marketing. Electronic billboards you'll find on the streets, on the roads. Search engine optimization. What do you mean by search engine optimization? SEO. This is one of the emerging field of digital marketing, and a lot of digital marketers, they are working on SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is that, see, I'll tell you one thing. When you go on Google and you'll find on any platform, you'll find search engine, and you type something, you'll see that there are list of products, okay, available. Now, how that particular product comes on the top, why that particular products come on the top, and some are being ignored. I mean, we don't even go to the second page of your search, Google search. We are satisfied with the first search. Why is it so? Because that is known as search engine optimization. I mean, your product has been put on the first page of the search. Okay. Obviously, there is an expense related to it. There is a charge related to it, but still, let's say if a customer search for a particular product, your product comes at the front of the page. So that is known as search engine optimization. Your product has been optimized, okay, to the first page of the search. Pay per click, okay, that is known as affiliate marketing. Also, we normally say it's an affiliate marketing. So you create your own website, and subsequently, if any customer, they're going to click on that particular ad, then you're going to get something out of it. So that is also, you can promote your product through pay per click ads. And obviously social media marketing, there are a lot of social medias these days, so you can do your marketing on any kind of social media. Content marketing, you can write up a content, okay, for your particular product, and that can be also blogging type kind of thing. So that is known as content marketing. Email marketing, you can write up email to various targeted audience. That can also enhance your digital marketing. So these are the few ways to do your digital marketing. Now, sustainability and ethics. See, when we do any kind of marketing, there has to be sustainability and ethical values. Ethical values and ethical norms should always be kept uphold. We should not compromise on our sustainability and ethical moral values, or else that is going to be that will create a lot of negative effect in the long run, for sure. So ethical considerations, we have got a social responsibility in the place we are working, or in the place we are doing our business, okay. The businesses are also expected to operate ethically, and they are also required to demonstrate their commitment to various kinds of socials and environmental issues, which can also be termed as a corporate social responsibility. But definitely we have a commitment, the place we are working, the place we are doing our business, okay, we have a commitment. Okay, all the businesses should have a commitment to look into the various social and economical issues. What do you mean by ethical marketing? See, number one is empathy. Okay, now what do you mean by empathy? Empathy means deep understanding of customers' need. If you are particularly looking at the marketing, what do you mean by sympathy? Can anybody tell me what is sympathy and what is empathy? Now, what is the difference between sympathy and empathy? It sounds similar though. Sympathy and empathy sounds very similar, but there is a very huge difference between. I'll cite an example. I think by giving an example, you can better understand. In any organization, let's say in any organization, there's a employee working, and the manager comes up to the employee and say, "Look, Mister, your numbers is not going up. You are not performing up to the mark, and I believe if this continues in the long run, definitely that is going to create a big problem for you in the future." That is known as sympathy. Though the manager understands, and he is going to suggest you that, "Look, I've been watching your figures for days, and I'm finding out that your figures are not going up, it is rather going down. So if you are unable to pick up with your figures, then that is definitely going to hamper you in your long run, and that is known as sympathizing. Whereas empathy means that particular manager comes up to you and say, look, I've been looking at your figures, and I feel that there's a low figure, your performance level or your performance figures are going low. May I know what is the reason behind it? May I know why the figures are going down? Is there any personal problem which you can share with me, or if I can help you out with any kind of issue if you are facing? So that is empathy. That's a deep understanding. You consider yourself in place of others, in their place. You are considering yourself in their place, and you are trying to understand what they need. So empathy is very important in ethical marketing. When you are doing any kind of marketing, you should have that empathy towards your customer needs and demands, what they actually need. So we can do that kind of marketing as per their need. Second is honesty. You don't need to do exaggeration. Exaggeration in any kind of promotion or any kind of manipulation is a big no. We should never do that. We should never adopt a dishonest way of marketing. That is very, very dangerous in the long run. And third is transparency. They should be transparent, nothing hidden cost. Lot of companies, they have hidden cost. Why do you need to have hidden cost? Why can't we be transparent? Because if we are not transparent now, I'm pretty sure that we are going to lose that customer definitely in the future, and that particular future is going to hamper our more potential customers. So there has to be a transparency. If this is what it is, that's it. There's nothing beyond this. This is what it is. Okay. So we have to have a transparency within our business and the customers we are dealing with. Next is promise keeping. We should have genuine intention to fulfill all the promises which have been given to the customers, okay, during any kind of promotion. If we are giving any kind of promise to our customer, then definitely we need to keep that promise. That is very important. Sustainability. What kind of sustainable approach we are adopting in the place we are operating? Are we committed to the public? Are we committed to the environmental and social well-being? How we are going to sustain ourselves through various sustainability approaches? So through CSR activities. CSR activity is also one of the beautiful way of ethical marketing. Okay, once we are into we are committed to the public, environmental, social well-being of a particular place where we are operating, then definitely that is going to be a very, very helpful way of ethical marketing for our business organization. Okay, lastly, we need to have a marketing plan. What kind of marketing plan? It is the overall plan which outlines our goal, what should be our strategies, what should be our tactics, what should be our methodology through which we are going to achieve our marketing objectives. It serves as a roadmap. Okay, what are the hurdles which we are going to face during our achieving our marketing plan, marketing activities? Okay, how we are going to achieve it? Okay, so a complete outline of the entire strategy may be termed as a marketing plan, and that is very important, extremely important to have a marketing plan before we actually execute our marketing strategy into the. So we need to have a marketing plan. Now, strategic marketing plan. Well, you may have different marketing plans for your different organizations. Many different organizations have their different marketing strategies, so we cannot rely on this particular strategy that this is the complete marketing strategy and this has to be followed for every particular organizations. No, that is not so. Every organization has got their own marketing plans and they can adopt their own plans. There is nothing wrong in it. But if we go through this slide, we'll see that there should be strategic direction should be there, proper sales management should be there, proper marketing communication should be there, proper marketing analytics should be there. So properly we should analyze proper marketing skills before we apply the strategic marketing plan in the market. Now with this we have come to the end of the slide, that summary. Okay, so marketing is a continuous process. Okay. It's a evolving process. Okay. It's not a static. It continuously evolves, very volatile. Okay. Because it has been shaped by various factors. Few years back, the way the marketing strategies used to work, they may not work right now, or they may not work in the coming years as well, because our society has been changed, the consumer behavior has been changed, the technologies are taking new shapes. Okay, there is a competitive atmosphere, competitive environment is changing day by day. Okay, so we have to understand the market dynamics. The market dynamics should be understood by us for every organization before they enter into any kind of marketing strategy or marketing management. Before we are diving into the market, we need to understand the market dynamics. What are the consumer behavior of that particular time? What kind of technologies are being used at that particular time? What is the competitive landscape at that particular time? Everything is going to put a effect on our marketing strategies. So it is a very volatile and it is very evolving process. Marketing cannot be stagnant. It is completely evolving every day. We have to study the market dynamics before we can understand it, we can get into the market. And thank you very much. Thank you very much for this